Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add videos and audio files to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Then tap on one of your chats and click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now click on Files section and hold your files over here or tap on Audio and Video filters at the top. If you want to, you can also select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of those sources, like audio. When you're ready, just hold your file and click on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!